Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about CORSAIR XENEON 27QHD240 OLED gaming display. So friend, CORSAIR has announced the launch and immediate availability of the new CORSAIR XENEON 27QHD240 OLED monitor, posting a cutting-edge third generation OLED panel from LG Display, and it brings the amazing image quality, black label and response time benefits of OLED to the popular 27-inch monitor size, combining stunning image quality and 240Hz refresh rate to display everything your PC has to offer at its best. And friend, it uses LG micro lens array technology, placing 5117 micro lenses per pixel to boost brightness, improving angle and display stunning bright colors, and up to 1000 nits brightness and 98.5% DCI-P3 color gamut reveal an amazing level of detail in every image, from the brightest highlights to the gloomiest shadows, with HDR and 15 lag gem 1 contrast ratio. And friend, it is an ideal partner for high-end gaming play. Up to 240Hz refresh rate combines with an unbelievably low pixel on or off time of just 0.01 millisecond, 0.03 millisecond pixel response time, meaning the image on screen reacts to input faster than you can perceive, with support for both NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync with Clear MR 13000 certificate, ensuring gameplay remains tear-free and smooth. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.